Ubuntu running on a tablet and on a phone. As you can see, the tablet is a multi-user device, which means that in a home or in a business environment where you have to share a device, each user has their own secure and encrypted account. We don't have any buttons, so we use the edges. So from the left edge, we can bring in the launcher, which shows the apps that we might like to use. And I think it's always a good idea to start at the home. The home, it brings a summary of all the things that you might care about on the device. And you can see straight away how it scales really nicely across both of them. For each different type of content, we have a different type of screen. So here for the apps, we have running apps, we have frequently used apps and ones that are available for download. And for video, we have a very similar experience. So on the video, we can also maybe search for content, and then the system searches all the available content from different sources, and the user can then choose where they download it from. So if I go to The Hobbit, let's say, I can see that I can choose now which source to purchase it from. We have two different types of applications. We have HTML5 apps like Facebook and Twitter, which are really good for certain kinds of content. And then we have native apps, something like this gallery application, which I've got running across both of the devices. We've really taken the time to design something that's truly a more enjoyable and beautiful user experience. And one of the important principles that we have is that we make sure that our UI doesn't get in the way of your photos. But if you want it, you can just bring it in from the bottom on the toolbar. We also have a slightly more advanced system for accessing more tools. So instead of cluttering the interface with lots of things, we can simply search for what we want to do. Because you can imagine that if all this was sitting in the UI, it would get quickly very cluttered. But suddenly, this becomes quite a powerful device. I'm not going to change that photo now, so I'll put this away. Oh, maybe I'll show it over here. So at the top we've got some indicators that are designed to give you access to date and time, to give you access to battery and network and messages. Your messaging menu is a bit more than simple notifications, because not only does it bring together communications from all different users, but it also gives you the opportunity to reply. You have to go and launch Facebook and go to messages. You can simply reply to the message here, send, and it goes straight to your friends as if it came from Facebook. If I come in from the left and swipe through, I can go straight to the app that I can go back to the different apps that I have running. If I go here, it doesn't want to launch. I've got here the Notepad app, and from the right I can switch between the different devices. And that's basically a very quick run-through of Ubuntu running on both devices. Do you have a